Hey guys! Trading and investment have different benefits, systems, and processes. Everyone has preferences regarding trading or investment according to their skills and resources. In this video, we will discuss the main differences between trading and investment. Let's get started. Trading and investing are two distinct approaches to financial markets, each with its own potential for profitability and associated risks. Which one is more profitable depends on various factors, including your financial goals, risk tolerance, time commitment, and expertise. Here's a comparison between trading and investing. Trading. Time horizon. Trading typically involves a shorter time horizon, ranging from seconds, day trading, to weeks or months, swing trading. Traders aim to profit from short-term price fluctuations. Risk tolerance. Trading is generally considered riskier than investing due to the higher potential for volatility and the need to make quick decisions. Profit potential. Traders can potentially earn substantial profits in a shorter time frame if they correctly predict market movements. However, losses can also be swift and significant. Active management. Trading requires active monitoring of markets, technical analysis, and frequently making buy and sell decisions. It's suitable for those with a high risk tolerance, a deep understanding of markets, and the time to commit to trading. Investing. Time horizon. Investing typically involves a longer time horizon. Investors buy assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate with the expectation that their value will appreciate over time. Risk tolerance. Investing is generally considered less risky than trading because it focuses on long-term growth and often involves diversified portfolios. Profit potential. The potential for profit in investing comes from the long-term appreciation of assets, dividend payments, and interest income. While it may take years to see substantial gains, it can accumulate significant wealth over time. Active management. Investing requires less active management compared to trading. It's suitable for those who prefer a hands-off approach and have the patience to wait for returns to materialize. Trading versus investing, which is more profitable? There is no definitive answer to whether trading or investing is more profitable, as it depends on individual circumstances and preferences. Trading offers the potential for quick gains but also carries higher risks and requires significant time commitment, skill, and emotional discipline. Investing tends to be a more stable and conservative approach, with a focus on long-term growth and compounding. It may be suitable for those with lower risk tolerance and a longer time horizon. FAQ section. What is the fundamental difference between trading and investing? Trading involves buying and selling financial assets with the goal of profiting from short-term price fluctuations, while investing focuses on buying and holding assets for the long term with the expectation of gradual appreciation. Which is riskier, trading or investing? Trading is generally considered riskier than investing due to the higher potential for short-term market volatility and the need for quick decision-making. Investing is often viewed as a more stable and conservative approach. Can I make more money trading than investing? It's possible to make significant profits through trading if you correctly predict market movements. However, trading also carries a higher risk of substantial losses. Investing offers the potential for long-term wealth accumulation through compounding but typically generates returns at a slower pace. Do I need more knowledge and skills for trading compared to investing? Yes. Trading typically requires a deeper understanding of market analysis, technical indicators, and a more active approach. Successful trading often necessitates continuous learning and discipline. Investing, while still requiring knowledge, is generally less demanding in terms of active management. Which approach is more tax efficient, trading or investing? Investing often has tax advantages over trading, as long-term capital gains from investments held for over a year are typically taxed at a lower rate than short-term capital gains from frequent trading. Should I choose one over the other? Or can I do both trading and investing? Many individuals choose to combine both strategies in their portfolios to balance risk and return. This approach allows them to allocate a portion of their funds to longer-term investments while using a smaller portion for more active trading. Can I switch from trading to investing or vice versa? You can switch between trading and investing strategies based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and market conditions. It's important to adjust your approach as needed and potentially seek guidance or education when transitioning. Which approach is better for retirement planning? Investing is often a more suitable strategy for retirement planning because of its long-term focus and the potential for compounding wealth over time. Trading may not be as conducive to retirement planning due to its higher risk and shorter time horizon. Do I need a significant amount of capital to start trading or investing? The capital required for trading or investing can vary widely based on your goals and chosen assets. Some traders start with small amounts, while long-term investors may gradually accumulate assets over time. How do I decide between trading and investing for my financial goals? The choice between trading and investing should align with your financial goals, risk tolerance, time horizon, and available resources. Consider seeking advice from financial professionals or conducting thorough research before making a decision. Ultimately, the choice between trading and investing should align with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and available time and resources. Many investors choose to combine both strategies in their portfolios to balance risk and return. It's essential to conduct thorough research, potentially seek professional advice, and continually educate yourself about the financial markets to make informed decisions, regardless of your chosen approach. Remember that both trading and investing come with their own set of challenges and uncertainties. You are the one who can figure out the best suit for your knowledge, skills, and goals. We regularly upload videos on personal finances and wealth creation. Make sure to hit the bell icon for more updates. We will be glad to have your feedback in the comment section. And thanks for watching.